create detail view. For that, go to layout tab and here it is detail. We have two options, one is circular, another one is rectangle. You can select any one. I select here circular, and which view you need to make detail. I select this view and which area you need to make detail. I just click here and I place like this, and you can place it like this. So this is the view. When you make the detail, you can see like this view and simply enter. Now the view is ready. This is the view, and if you click this one, you can make changes in this area. See here, depends on your changes, you can change the detail. And I click this point and I just place it like this. Depends on the movement, you can change the detail like this. Now you can see the text is coming above. This one you can make changes manually also. Just click and you can place it like that, or select this view and right click and go to the properties. And here we have few more changes we can do using this one. You can see view definition, boundary type. It is available both rectangle or circular. If you want to change here, it is rectangle. If you select, you can see the size will change to like this rectangle. I just select here circular. Then you can see the detail type. It is available. You can change the styles. You can fix your styles also, new styles also you can make. And here it is detail identifier. See here, detail name is B. If you want to change any other name, you can type the name and simply enter. Now this is the C. And you can see the text is coming above. You can manually, you can make the changes, or you can make changes here below view. So it will change to below view. Then and custom, if you want to make any custom styles, you can make that also. And the next one, model edge. You can see model edge smooth means you will get it like this smooth view. And another one, it is smooth with border. See here, smooth with some border, you will get it. And the next one is with connection. Now I just make a small view. I just click here and I just make like this small view. Now you can see a connection line, and I select this view again and I just make this one. If you need any jog line, that also you will get it. See here, this end you will get it some jog line, and I just fix this smooth. And here we have rotation. If you want to make changes in this rotation, I just make it 90-degree rotation. See, the detail is changed to 90-degree. So using this property palette also you can make few more changes in this. So this is the way you can add detail view in AutoCAD